Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov, and in this fantastic video I'm gonna tell you about products that I use in my work, and I suggest these products to my best friends, clients and friends who work with these nails. I decided to create the special landing, the special shop for people, for nail masters, so they would have a chance to quickly run on the scroll the shop page and quickly or make order of exact products that they need. So you don't have to visit a lot of websites, a lot of shops, compare prices, make a lot of orders from different places. I decided to make the special shop with the exact products that we need for the nail works, and never sell other products that we never need, and never sell the products of the bad quality. So this is the shape of nail.com. This is the quick landing with the fast ordering. I also sent products like gifts, so you will never have to pay VAT, taxes and other taxes, because this is the gift from me to you, from Alexander Stepanov to you, my friend. And the packages are small, they are very simple. This is the not commercial order for the customs and for the post service, and we practically never had problems with the government, with the customs, and they just don't ask for the taxes just because it's your personal order, it's your personal gift. The orders are not so big, even if you order a lot of different tools. This is for your personal order usage, so don't worry, you can make order even from Russia now. In spite of all that's happening now in the world, the shop is open for you. If you, for example, in any country. I have opened warehouse in Ireland. Some tools and products, not liquids. We don't sell liquids there. We also sell products, drill bits, nail design, etc. in Ireland. You can order there, or if you have any problems with the customs, with the situation in Russia, we can send products from Ireland. So don't worry, you are protected not from my reputation, not only from me, but also from the PayPal. Just because you make orders in PayPal, not only never sending for money for friends to a family. You make simple order with the standard protection of the PayPal system. So you shouldn't be worried. You are protected by my reputation, by me, and by PayPal system. I wish you good luck, guys. Don't forget to click that like button. You can contact me anytime for any questions of your orders or any questions you have, or watch this video to the end, and see you tomorrow.